Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to design this beautiful twisted eternity band. It looks like it's complicated to do, but trust me, it's very easy. We're going to use one curve, one profile, stones, and prongs. Very easy to make. Let's dive in. Okay, so for this ring, we're going to get this plane and we're going to do size 6.5. 6.5 here. We'll click OK. And in the same plane, we're going to go to sketch mode. And I'm going to make one circle, the same size of my finger size. And I want to offset that 1.25 millimeters there and click OK. I can delete this in the side. I don't need that anymore. And now we're going to make the profile for the band. We're going to make a rectangle 2 by 2 millimeters. And we're going to center it. And actually not a rectangle, a square. Now we're going to make a rectangle. The height doesn't matter, but I want it to be 0.4 millimeters. And also I'm going to center it. We'll click OK. Now we're going to get this tool and make 45 degrees. Click OK. And you're going to move this curve, this rectangle around here, around there. Now you're going to control down, click this plane, and you're going to mirror to this side. Uncheck this plane, control down, click both shapes and the plane, and you're going to mirror to the bottom. Can unclick that. And we're going to erase all this that we don't need anymore. We'll click OK. And we're going to out connection. And you have our shape. We can get out of here. Now we're going to get the curve that we made. We're going to come over here to multi-pipe, get it, and you're going to do a twist. The section for our twist is going to be the section that we just made. And you're going to come over here and you're going to do one thread and only one turn. I want a yellow. It's there for us. And that's it. We can hide the size. And now we're going to extract curves from the faces. And we're going to get on V. Same thing for the 4 faces. I'm going to speed up the process so you guys don't need to see me repeating this all the time. Okay, we're back. Yeah, you already have all the curves that we need. Now we're going to do the stones. Let's start for this first curve. We're gonna come over here and get this variable channel. For here in spacing, we're gonna do 0. We want adjustable space. Second tab, we're gonna do up -3, and the stones are going to be 1.4. And for the amount of stones, let's go up. There we go. Perfect, 41 stones. So now we're going to repeat the same process for all the other curves. I'm going to speed up because it's the same thing. Okay, we're back. So now let's create the diamond or the band. I'm gonna do one, make 1.4. I'm not gonna raise up because we did already, and you click OK. So now let's do the jeweling. We're going to get this and the back here, and you're gonna go to jeweling, and you're gonna duplicate this stone, and you're gonna keep original. Now we're gonna get this jeweling, and we're gonna come over here, and we're going to do black diamonds, and you click OK. So now control down, we can hide all that for now. Now we're going to make a prong. We're going to do round 1.2 millimeters, 0.65. The stones are small, so I'm going to go with 0.65 minus 4. We click OK. Oh, I have to change because it's still diamond. Let's go to precious metals and yellow 14. We click OK. Now we're going to get all the jeweling that we made, and you're going to come over here to this channel prongs, and you're going to duplicate the prong that we just made, and it jewels for us. It's too tall. This prong is too tall. Let me click OK. Let me go back to the prong, and let's bring 0.5. Let's see if 0.5 is good. That's good. Maybe even a little less. I'm gonna do this prong 0.6, and I'm gonna do a little lower, minus 0.6. Much better, much better. Yeah, the band is done. As I said, it looks like complicated, but you know, it's just few steps and you have the whole thing done. Now here, when you're going to run the cutters, don't run the cutters through, okay? Just the pilot. Click OK, and you get the band, cutters, and you put it. And there it is. I'm not gonna do the other ones because it's the same thing, okay? So yeah, guys, it's as I said, let's hide this to enjoy our work. As I said, it looks like complicated, but as you saw, it's really simple, really simple. And this is a band you can have, you can make half diamond, you can make this smaller and make a pendant. So you can do anything with only a circle and a profile. And you can design the profile in other ways, you know, maybe a little detail, a little flower profile, and run here, and you're gonna get a beautiful band or a beautiful pendant. So your imagination can do anything. Yeah, guys, that's all for today. Thank you for being with me. And if you have any question, please let me know. If you have any comment, if you have any design that you want to get done and you don't know how, you can comment and I'll do my best to bring that to you. All right, guys, thank you very much. Keep designing, and I'll see you soon. Bye.